Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Budruk. I will be discussing few illustrations of the topic royalties. Go to study note number 8. We'll see illustration 4. The following information has been obtained from the books of Lessee relating to the years 2008-9 to 11-12. Payment to landlord after tax deducted at 20% source. So payment to landlord is given for 4 years. 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11 and 11, 12. These are the amounts after deducting tax. 12,000, 12,000, 12,000 and 19,200. Short working recovered is given for the year 9, 10 and 10, 11, which is 2,500 and 1,000, and short working written off for the year 10, 11 is given, which is 500. Balance of short working account forward on 1st April 2008 is rupees 800, which are in the year 8-9 is given in the bracket, which is wrongly given. It must be from the year 7-8. Carried forward balance from the last year on 1st April 8 must be from the earlier year 7-8. According to the terms of agreement, short working is recoverable within next 2 years following the year in which short working arises. So this is fluctuating, right? Lessee can recover in the next 2 years. If he suffers in the first year, he can recover either in the second year or third year. If he suffers in the fifth year, he can recover either in the sixth year or seventh year, and so on. This is fluctuating, right? You are required to show necessary accounts in the books of lessee for 4 years ended 31st March 12. This question is little different than normal questions. Here, recovery of short working for 2 years is given, short working written off for 1 year is given, and amount paid to landlord after deducting tax is given. Using this information, we'll prepare working table, so it will be easy for us to prepare ledger accounts. I will show you how to prepare this table. Recovery of short working in the next 2 years of lease. This will write on the top of the table. So it will be easy for us now. Whatever information is given, that will fill in the table. Year 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12. Amount net of tax is given for the 4 years. Recovery is given for 2 years. Return off is given for 1 year. We have written against the year whatever information is given. Short working suffered. Opening balance on 1st April 8 is 800. So it must be from the earlier year. Suffered 7, 8. Now we will fill the blanks and complete the table. I will show you how it is to be done in the next table. If before tax payment is 100, tax is 20, then after tax payment to landlord is 80. Payment to landlord after tax is given is 12,000 for 3 years and 19,200 for the year 11-12. So using this you can find out gross amount and tax amount. Earlier table we have seen these are blank. These blanks you can fill in the next table. So if after payment of tax amount is 80, before payment of tax, that is gross amount, was 100, then if after payment of tax, if the amount, net amount is 12,000, what is the amount before payment of tax? If after payment of tax amount is 19,200, what is before payment of tax? You can use the equation and find this out. 12,000 divided by 80 into 100, 15,000. 19,800 divided by 80 into 100, 24,000. So I found out gross amount 15,000, 15,000, 15,000 and 24,000. Similarly, I will find out tax amount. After tax payment, if the amount is 80, tax is 20. If after tax payment amount is 12,000 and 19,200, what would be the amount of tax? 12,000 divided by 80 into 20. 19,200 divided by 80 into 20. So tax amount is 3,000 and 4,800. So I have written it against the years 3,000, 3,000, 3,000 and 4,800. Now recovery is in the next 2 years. 2,500 is recovered in the year 910. Remember one thing, in the same year you cannot have amount in both the columns, suffered and recovered. If amount is there in the recovered column, then in the suffered column nothing will be there. If it is in the suffered column, recovered column, nothing will be there. Both amounts will not come simultaneously. Now 2,500 is recovery. 800 which he has suffered in the year 7-8, he can recover either in the year 8-9 or in the year 9-10. So this 2,500 recovery, 800 is from the year 7-8 and 2,500 minus 800 must be from the year 8-9. So suffered you can find out for the year 8-9, 2,500 minus 800. Now if you see here, in the year 10-11, 1000 is recovered. It cannot be from the year 9-10 because 9-10 there is recovery. So nothing he has suffered in the year 9-10. So it must be from the year 8-9. And return of recovery is in the next 2 years. So whatever he suffers in the 8-9, it is to be written off in the year 10-11. So 1500 both are from the year 8 and 9. So for the year 8 and 9 you have 1000 plus 500 plus 2500 minus 800. So you will get amount which is suffered here. Here nothing will come, here nothing will come because recovery is there. And in the year 11-12, nothing has been given as suffered, recovered and written off. So that is how you are supposed to find out. And 15,000 is gross amount. So we'll assume that 15,000 is minimum rent because it is gross amount for 3 years. So this minimum rent we'll write it for all the years as 15,000 and then we'll find out the amount of royalties. Next table I will explain this. These 3 columns I have already explained. See here 2,500, out of that 800 for the year 7-8. So 2,500 minus 800, 1,700 from the year 8-9, which he is recovering in the year 9-10. 1,000 which he is recovered in the year 10-11 must be also from the year 8-9. And 500 which is written off in the year 10-11 also must be from the year 8-9. So total suffered in the year 8-9 is 1,700 plus 500 plus 1,000, which is equal to 3,200. Now I will go to next table and I will again explain you how to proceed. Last 3 columns I have shown you. These earlier to that columns also we have seen. 3,200, this is total I have written. How this figure arrived at, that also I have shown you. Now 15,000 in gross amount you are getting for the 3 years. So we'll assume that minimum rent is 15,000. We'll write it in all the places, minimum rent for all the years 15,000. Now next part is find out royalty. Royalty is minimum rent minus suffered or minimum rent plus recovered. Very simple. So 15,000 minus 3,200 is royalty. 15,000 plus 2,500 is royalty for the year 9-10. 15,000 plus 1,000 is royalty for the year 10-11. Here 24,000. Nothing is suffered, recovered. So 24,000 is royalty. Royalty or minimum rent, whichever is more, is amount payable. So 24,000. In this case, 16 minus 1, 15,000, 17,500 minus 2,500, 15,000, 11,800 plus 3,200, 15,000. Once this table is prepared, you can easily prepare the ledger accounts. In the books of lessee, royalty account, royalty to landlord, royalty account debit 11,800, royalty account debit 11,800, short working account debit 3,200 to landlord. This is the first entry. Landlord to bank to outstanding tax. Payment is 12,000 and tax is 3,000. That is how entries are to be passed. So for all the 4 years, to landlord by profit and loss account. Whatever is the amount you debit to royalty account is to be transferred to profit and loss account. Short working account, to balance brought down 800, to landlord 3,200. To balance brought down 800, you are preparing account from the year 1st April 2008. To landlord 3,200. Royalty account debit, short working account debit to landlord. Just now I have told you the journal entry. By balance carried down, to balance brought down, same amount 4,000. By landlord 2,500. By balance carried down 1,500. Recovered by landlord 2,500. Balance carried down 1,500. To balance brought down 1,500. By landlord 1,000. By profit and loss account 500. It's not profit and loss account carried down. By profit and loss account 500. Return of 500, recovered 1,000. Now landlord account. Royalty account debit 11,800. Short working account debit 3,200 to landlord. This is the first entry. Landlord account debit to bank 12,000. To outstanding income tax or income tax payable 3,000. So landlord account gets closed every year. And of course last entry would be profit and loss account debit to royalty. Next, royalty account debit to landlord 17,500. Recovery of short working 2,500 is there in the year. So landlord account debit to bank 12,000. To income tax payable 3,000. To short workings, recovery of short working 2,500. Account gets closed. Royalty to landlord 16,000. Landlord account debit to bank 12,000. To income tax payable 3,000. To short working 1,000. Landlord account gets closed. Last year, royalty to landlord 24,000. Landlord to bank 19,200. To outstanding income tax 4,800. And profit and loss to royalty 24,000. So this is how you are supposed to prepare ledger accounts. Very important is to prepare the table from the given information. Now we'll go to illustration 5. A fire occurred in the office premises of lessee in the evening of 31st March 12, destroying most of the books and records. From the documents saved, following information is gathered. Short working recovered. They have given you recovery of short working for 3 years, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12. But something is given in the bracket. Whatever they have recovered in the year 9, 10, which is towards short working which arose in the year 6, 7. Whatever they have recovered in the year 10, 11, include 1000 for short working in the year 7, 8. So out of this 8000, 1000 is for the year 7, 8. They have given you short working lapsed for 3 years. Short working lapsed is short working written off, which is given for the year 8, 9, 9, 10 and 11, 12. So you are supposed to prepare working table. Put this figure in working tables, that is recovery of short working against these years. Short working written off against these years. A sum of 50,000 was paid to landlord in the year 8, 9. Payment to landlord for the year 8, 9 is given, which is 50,000. The agreement of royalty contains a clause of minimum rent payable for fixed amount and recoupment of short working within 3 years following the year in which short working arises. So again this is fluctuating right. If he suffers, he can recover in the next 3 years, following 3 years, subsequent 3 years. Information as regards payment to landlord subsequent to year 8-9 is not readily available. In the year 8-9, he has paid 50,000 to landlord. After that, information is not available. Show short working account and royalty account in the books of lessee. First, prepare working table. Put these figures, whatever are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and payment 50,000. Then fill the blanks. Complete the table, then it will be easy to prepare ledger accounts. Recovery of short working in the next 3 years of lease. Year, royalty, minimum rent, short working, 3 subcolumns, suffered, recovered, written off, amount payable, 50,000 for the year 8, 9 is given. Amount written off for 3 years is given, 8, 9, 9, 10 and 11, 12. Recovery is also given for 3 years, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12. Put these figures in the table. Now, additional information is given. Whatever he is recovering in the year 9, 10, 4,000, which was for the year 6, 7. So, 6, 7, 4,000, he is recovering 4,000, which he suffered in the year 6, 7. And for the year 10, 11, he has recovered 8,000. 1,000 is from the year 7, 8. 8,000 recovery, out of that from the year 7, 8, 1,000. Now you are supposed to find out remaining figures. Recovery of short working is in next 3 years. See, 4,000 he suffered in 6, 7. That he is recovering. But he has he has written off 3,000 in the 8, 9. It must be from which year? It must be from the year 5, 6. If he cannot recover it in 6, 7, 7, 8, then third year 8, 9 he has to write it off. So this 3,000 must be from the year 5, 6. 1, 2 and 3. This is the third year, next 3 years. So this 3,000 must be from the year 5, 6. 4,000 you got it. 6, 7 whatever is given 4,000 he is recovering in the year 9, 10. Now in the year 7, 8 he has suffered 1,000 that he has recovered in the year 10, 11. But 10, 11 he is recovering 8,000. So remaining 7,000 must be for the year 8, 9. So 8,000 minus 1,000, 7,000 will come here. Now this 2,000 and this 2,000 recovery is from which year, that will have to find out. We'll see the next table. I've told you 3000 is from this year. 7600. 4000 we have already seen recovered. He has written off 3600, so it must be from the year 6, 7, 1, 2 and 3, third year. 8000, out of that 1000 is here, so remaining 7000 for the year 8, 9, 2000, 1, 1, 2 and 3, next 3 years. So this 2000 and this 2000 also from the year 8, 9. So this is how it is to be prepared. 3000, 7600, 1000, total of this opening short working, because we will be preparing ledger account for these 4 years, 8, 9 to 11, 12. So this will be opening balance of short working. Amount paid 50,000 is given for the year 8, 9. So we'll assume that minimum rent is 50,000. We'll write it in all the column, all the rows, 50,000 as minimum rent. Now we'll find out royalty. Minimum rent minus suffered is royalty, and minimum rent plus recovered is royalty. So 50,000 minus 11,000, 50,000 plus 4,000, 50,000 plus 8,000 and 50,000 plus 2,000. This is how complete the table and then prepare ledger accounts. Royalty account to landlord by profit and loss account for all the 4 years. Royalty account debit 39,000. Short working account debit 11,000 to landlord 50,000. Landlord to bank 50,000. Profit and loss to royalty 39,000. Next year, royalty account debit 54,000 to landlord 54,000. Landlord account debit 54,000 to bank 50,000 to short working 4,000. Recovery of short working. Profit and loss to royalty 54,000. Same entries will come for next 2 years. Recovery of short working is there. Now, in short working account, you have to write to balance brought down 11,600. To balance brought down 11,600. To landlord 11,000. This he has suffered. By profit and loss account 3,000. By balance carried down 19,600. 11,000 to landlord, 3,000 by profit and loss. To balance brought down by landlord 4,000, by profit and loss account 3,600, by balance carried down 12,000, to balance brought down 12,000, 4,000 and 3,600. See, recovered 4,000, return of 3,600. To balance brought down 12,000, by landlord 8,000, balance carried down 4,000. See, recovered 8,000. Then last year, recovered 2,000, return of 2,000. To balance brought down 4,000, by landlord 2,000, by profit and loss account 2,000. This is how you are supposed to prepare ledger account from the table. In this video, we have seen illustrations in the books of lessee. Thank you.